Patience. Patience is the ability to accept trouble, suffering, delay, without getting angry or upset. I feel like if you can master patience, you can master anything. To sit and plan out your goals and dreams, strategize, understand how the universe works, how things manifest. The time it takes is part of your own learning process. It's hard to realize this when things aren't coming fast enough, whether it's a check, a job, a loan, a dream, a goal. It all takes patience. I'm so happy, dog, no matter what. Always remember, with the proper attention, from the highest place, the purest place, the highest vibration, you'll always get what you want. There's no point in rushing. If you rush too much, you might not get where you're going. Usually when you rushing, you stressing.
It dawned on me that all I'm doing is helping somebody find knowledge of self. You know what I'm saying? And I'm learning that, dude, the greatest subject that you'll ever study is yourself. If you ain't got knowledge of self, cuz it don't make a difference what you acquire, because you'll always be transforming into something else and putting on another face, another face.
You might have 1,000 strikes before you hit a home run. To see the bottom means that the top is just as real and just as obtainable. I realize patience is key for happiness. It allows you to be happier, to always see the bigger picture in everything. I feel like wisdom is priceless, and patience is a major part of that. There are certain things you can control, some you can't. But when you approaching situations with patience, you bringing your best self to that situation, giving yourself the best chance at success at whatever's at hand. I learned there are lessons in patience. It could teach us a lot of things. I could give you 100 stories on how I wish I could have went back in time to talk to myself, tell me to calm down, relax, don't let this throw you off.
I'm gonna give you everything you need to build a rocket ship so I can stand on the sidelines and watch you soar.
The time I spent frustrated, depressed, afraid of what might happen or not happen was the worst things I ever went through, the worst feelings I ever felt. I didn't get anywhere thinking, feeling like that. It was when I came out of that way of thinking that it all started turning around.